Hey guys, I'll show you how to join SALT and BNB liquidity pool. So first you come on SALT swap exchange.saltswap.finance. Like this is how it looks like. Make sure saltswap.finance and what you're gonna do is then you're gonna come on exchange. Make sure you have BNB on your MetaMask. If you don't know how to connect MetaMask and put BNB, just watch tutorial on how to connect how to put BNB on MetaMask and Binance coin. So you have BNB and then you wanna click salt and then salt. So and you wanna put, let's say, 0.05, and you're going to get this much salt. See, you can click swap. I just did it. So as you can see, I have on the right, it says my balance is 41 swap. So I have done it. So now I have some salt. I have some equal amount of BNB, a little bit more. So you don't need a little bit more. You need equal amount of both. So I'm going to click my salt here, and I have equal amount of BNB. So if I click max on salt, it's automatically going to match the equivalent amount of BNB, which is 41.18 salt is equal to 0.06 BNB. And I'm going to click approve salt. They're sitting on $1, and I see the transaction fee is of 15 cents American, and then click confirm and then wait until it approves. Sitting on $1, it's pretty new, so I'm kind of excited to see what it's going to do in the future. Okay, let's see. Approving. Perfect. So, and then now I have to wait and then click supply. The supply button will pop up. Okay, perfect. See, it approved salt. You just have to wait a little bit and then click supply, confirm supply. I have to pay the fee again. Perfect. The reason my screen looks dark because I changed my setting on the top, on the left bottom, not the top, on the bottom, and it says like here, I'll show you. It says like somewhere here, say night screen. Perfect. So let me check BSC scan. Okay, success. So that means it went through, all ready to go jump into the farms. Perfect. So now I'm gonna join SALT and BNB. I'm gonna click approve contract. Click confirm. Perfect. So it went approved. Now it's gonna stake maximum. I have 1.47. Click confirm. And click confirm again. Perfect. That's it. Now I'm ready to start earning from this pool. See, 1.4 staked, and then I'm just gonna tell me how much salt I am, and it's gonna say details, how many people joined in there, 209,000 people. Perfect. Thanks for watching.